Today we're going to be doing some ab work on the Pilates spine corrector. This is the Bennie Pilates studio. If you don't have a spine corrector, you may find that these exercises work on a bosu ball or a yoga ball. We're going to sit on the spine corrector and we're going to scoot out from the crease there and we'll C-curve through our spine. Now we're going to open up and roll back just to our shoulder blades as we open the arms into a second position. Inhale as you reach back, exhale coming forward. It doesn't take very long at all to feel this very deeply in the abdominals. Now we're going to take our arms up to a fifth position, up overhead as we roll back. We're coming back just to our shoulder blades right there, and then lifting and C-curving through the spine forward. Inhaling back, exhaling forward. Next, we're going to take the arms in the circle, out to the side, up, go second and fifth as you lift up with the arms. Out to the side, up to the top as you're coming forward. So as you roll back, the arms come to the side, and as you're lifting forward, the arms are up, overhead, framing the face. Now let's reverse that circle. Take the arms up, out, and lift forward. Getting a lot of rotation through the shoulders, and we're feeling it throughout our abdominals change with the position of our arms. Changing positions here, we're going to scoot the bum back into the crease, maintain a C-curve through the spine, feet are planted, legs bent here, and we're going to reach forward, taking those fingertips towards the ankles. So as we roll back, we're just coming towards mid-back, staying C-curve through the spine, crunching forward, fingertips coming towards the ankles. We're feeling this more deeply lower in the abdominals. Keep that chin tucked in towards the chest. Make sure that you're not having any strain in your neck, but that all the work is coming from your center. Good, scooting back to your original position, so you're out a little bit, and as you roll back, you're coming to your shoulder blades, taking the arms out to second position again. Again, making sure that the chin is staying tucked forward and the neck comfortably in line with the spine, so you're not straining your neck by looking up at the ceiling or moving your head position during the exercise. Taking the arms up to fifth, up overhead. I'm maintaining a nice rounded ballet arm here, lifting to frame the face. Now in circles, out to the side, around, up, and lift. And reverse that, taking it up, out, and through. Up, and lifting from the side. Again, going back to the other position, pressing back into the crease, maintaining that C-curve through the spine, scooping in and up through the abdominals. We reach forward, fingertips coming towards the ankles, and roll back just to mid-back. Make sure that you keep breathing and that your breath is driving the movement rather than holding the breath. Really feeling that deeply into the abdominals. Just a few more here. You're nearly there. And last one. And you are all finished with your brief ab session on the Pilates Spine Corrector. If you're wondering where you can purchase a spine corrector for yourself at home, you can find a link in my write-up below. Thank you so much for being with me in the studio today, and be sure to check out my channel for more Pilates. I've got spine corrector, mat Pilates, bar workouts, springboard Pilates, and much more. I will see you guys next time in the studio, and please let me know if you would like to see more spine corrector here on my channel.